Welcome to today's review, where we're diving into the details of the 2025 Citroën 2CV. This car is a modern tribute to one of the most iconic vehicles in automotive history. The 2CV was originally designed as a simple, affordable, and practical car for post-war France, and its charm captured the hearts of millions. Fast forward to 2025, and Citroën has breathed new life into this classic, preserving its unmistakable character while embracing modern technology and sustainable engineering. Let's take an in-depth look at what this car has to offer. As we approach the front of the 2025 Citroën 2CV, it's impossible not to appreciate the seamless blend of retro aesthetics and contemporary design elements. The rounded headlights, a signature feature of the original model, have been updated with state-of-the-art LED technology. These headlights not only provide exceptional visibility, but also give the car a unique light signature that stands out both day and night. The front grille has been reimagined as a sleek panel with subtle chrome accents, maintaining a minimalist aesthetic. The hood's gentle curvature pays homage to the original, but its refined contours enhance the car's aerodynamic profile, ensuring better efficiency. Moving to the side, the 2CV's timeless silhouette remains instantly recognizable. The softly arched roofline and flat side panels echo the design language of the past, while modern updates make the car visually striking. The larger, stylish alloy wheels add a contemporary touch and provide better grip and stability. The doors now feature flush handles that improve aerodynamics and contribute to the car's clean, futuristic appearance. Customization is another highlight, with Citroën offering a range of contrasting roof colors and trim options, allowing buyers to tailor the vehicle to their personal taste. The lightweight body panels are made from sustainable materials, emphasizing Citroën's commitment to eco-friendly practices without compromising durability. At the rear, the simplicity of the design is both functional and elegant. The taillights, now featuring vertical LED strips, provide a modern edge while maintaining the car's classic proportions. The rear bumper is understated, blending seamlessly with the overall design. A compact roof spoiler adds a sporty flair and enhances aerodynamics without detracting from the car's heritage. The trunk space is surprisingly generous for a car of this size, offering practicality for everything from grocery runs to weekend getaways. The trunk lid is easy to operate, and its wide opening ensures effortless access to the cargo area. Stepping inside, the 2025 Citroën 2CV reveals a cabin that masterfully combines retro charm with modern functionality. The dashboard design is a clear nod to the original model, featuring a clean and minimalist layout. The single horizontal screen serves as both an infotainment system and a digital driver display, offering essential information at a glance. The air vents are round, maintaining the nostalgic theme while ensuring efficient airflow. The steering wheel, with its two-spoke design, is another callback to the classic 2CV, but it now incorporates intuitive controls for audio navigation and driver assistance systems. The seats are upholstered in sustainable, high-quality fabric that feels both comfortable and durable. Despite the car's compact exterior, the interior is remarkably spacious, with ample headroom and legroom for both the driver and passengers. Clever storage solutions are integrated throughout the cabin, making it practical for everyday use. On the road, the 2025 Citroën 2CV offers a driving experience that is smooth, efficient, and surprisingly engaging. The car is powered by a fully electric drivetrain, delivering 80 horsepower. While this may not sound like much, the lightweight construction ensures that the car feels nimble and responsive, particularly in urban environments. The instant torque of the electric motor provides smooth acceleration, making city driving a breeze. The 2CV is not built for high speeds or aggressive performance, but it excels in offering a relaxed and enjoyable ride. The battery provides a range of up to 250 miles on a single charge, making it an excellent choice for daily commutes and short road trips. Regenerative braking enhances efficiency, while the car's compact dimensions make parking and navigating tight spaces effortless. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Citroën 2CV is designed to be accessible to a wide audience. The base model starts at around $22,000, offering excellent value for a fully electric vehicle with such distinctive styling and practicality. For those looking for additional features, such as advanced driver assistance systems, premium interior materials, or a larger battery pack, higher trims are available, with prices reaching approximately $26,000. This pricing positions the 2CV as a competitive option in the compact EV market, particularly for buyers seeking a vehicle with unique character and eco-friendly credentials. For potential buyers, the 2025 Citroën 2CV is a car that stands out in its segment. Its blend of retro-inspired design, modern technology, and affordability makes it an appealing choice for urban drivers, young professionals, and anyone looking for a distinctive yet practical vehicle. However, it's worth noting that the 2CV's performance is tailored more toward efficiency and comfort than speed or sportness. Buyers seeking advanced autonomous driving features or high-speed capability might want to explore other options. That said, the 2CV's charm lies in its simplicity and the way it connects drivers to the joy of driving, making it more than just a means of transportation. In conclusion, the 2025 Citroën 2CV is a masterful reinterpretation of a classic. It captures the essence of the original while adapting to modern standards of sustainability, safety, and comfort. This car is not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about making every journey enjoyable and memorable. Whether you're a longtime fan of the 2CV or someone discovering it for the first time, this car has something special to offer. Thank you for joining us on this in-depth review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more detailed reviews of the cars you love. Let us know in the comments what you think of the 25 Citroën 2CV. Until next time, drive safe and stay inspired.